Hello my friends, in this video we will learn that how to write essay on Atmanirbhar Bharat, Self-Reliant India. And friends, after watching this video, if this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to like this video. So now, let's get started. Atmanirbhar Bharat, Self-Reliant India. Atmanirbhar, self-reliant. Self-reliant means that no one should depend on others for their success in life. In other words, we can also say that we should not expect help from others to run our livelihood, but a person should be self-confident and self-dependent. A person who depends on another person can never progress or succeed in life. Qualities of self-reliant. Being self-reliant is the greatest quality of a human being or any country. If a person or country will be self-dependent in itself, it will not need to seek the help of others, nor will it ever depend on others. Being self-reliant is the best quality for both the individual and the country. Resources available in India. If we look at the resources of our India is a prosperous country. Even in a severe pandemic like coronavirus, our country did not ask for help from any country during the lockdown. Our country is so capable that even in an emergency situation, the Indian government has given life to millions of people. Announced an economic relief package worth billions of rupees, so that no one died of hunger in the country. India at the time of independence and present India. Even after India was liberated from British rule in 1947, India was dependent on other countries with few resources. But today, India is becoming self-reliant in every field. Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan or Self-Reliant India Mission. The Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi, implemented Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan Yojana, Self-Reliant India Campaign Scheme, to make India country and resident of India self-reliant. The main objective of which is to make India a prosperous country. The scheme was launched on 12th May 2020. According to this scheme, a relief package amount of 20 lakh crore was announced to the people of the country. Beneficiary of Self-Reliant India campaign scheme will be farmers, poor citizens, migrant workers, small-scale industries, cottage industries, fishermen, cattle ranchers, middle-class industries, tenants, people working in organized sector or unorganized sector, etc. India is working in many schemes to strengthen its economy, such as: first, new industries are being established. Second, many new technologies or new machines are being used in factories. Third, production from needle to plane is being planned. Fourth, the agriculture sector is being given more importance than ever and their condition is being improved. Fifth, changes are being made in education policy. Sixth, equipment of hospital is being modernized so that all treatment is possible only in India. Seventh, India is now moving towards becoming Digital India, where online process is being started. Under the Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan Yojana, compensation and benefit will be given to all workers, farmers, traders, etc. who have suffered loss due to lockdown. The country of India has moved completely toward becoming self-reliant. The government of India is implementing all other types of schemes so that our India and the citizens of India are self-reliant, so that the welfare of the country and the citizens. Thank you for watching.